Today we've got a Mercedes-Benz W212 facelift. And admit it, with the glowing logo, it looks absolutely amazing. The logo is dead. No light, no effect. This emblem should light up along the edges. But inside there's just one tiny LED that creates the whole effect. Most likely it just burned out. But there's a second possibility, and the LED driver could have failed. So, now we're going to take it apart and see what actually died. Let's go. As I said, there's just one LED inside. It shines into the edge of the acrylic, which then spreads the light along the whole emblem. That's the whole principle. We disconnect the wires, carefully pull everything out, and now, experiment number 1. Let's try to make it brighter. First, we clean the acrylic, so nothing blocks the light. Take out the LED driver. Here's the original LED soldered in place. Check with a phone flashlight exactly where the light should go. And now, the most interesting part. We desolder the stock LED. Replace it with a more powerful Cree. In theory, it should shine brighter. But let's see what happens in practice. Let's check it out. So, we reconnected everything, but unfortunately, the LED didn't come back to life. Now, experiment number 2. The main thing, I'd make sure the size matches. This time we're using a regular $3 Chinese LED strip. It has 3 LEDs with a 151 ohm resistor. You can connect it to 12 volts without any driver. We solder the strip onto the old driver's housing, plus and minus, and go check it out. Here we go. Everything's ready. Let's see. As you can see, guys, the problem was solved for just $3. Why buy a new glowing logo for $30 to $40 on a marketplace when you can do it for almost nothing? The emblem lights up, the edges are clean, and it looks modern and stylish.